Hi everyone, Miroslav from Nech Empire, and in today's video I would like to show you my favorite places to find public domain images you can use for print on demand. While the internet is full of interesting, high quality images, you cannot grab any image you found on the web and use it for your design. Most images available online are copyright protected, however some works in the public domain are not. And in this video, I will help you identify what a public domain image is, and I will show you less known websites where you can find these images. Let's start with the basics. A public domain image is a photo, clip art or vector whose copyright has expired or never existed. These images can be used by anyone for personal and commercial purposes. In other words, an image that is in the public domain is 100% free. You don't have to worry about copyrights, asking for permission, or being charged by using the photos. Museums, libraries, and photographers have released tens of thousands of public domain images online, and such visual media content is available to the public without any restrictions. But before I show you my favorite websites that are full of public domain images you can freely download, I'm always recommending checking twice the license for each website or image. Make your own opinion. I'm not a lawyer and I'm not an expert in copyright matters. In my opinion, an image is either a public domain image or it is not. There are no options in between. And in most cases, public domain images won't have any usage restrictions. You can sell them, edit them, redistribute them. The first website I want to show you is called All Book Illustrations. This website offers a really nice collection of public domain illustrations scanned from old books and vector illustrations that can be modified and distributed for both personal and commercial projects. These images are great to add some vintage appeal in your design, which is very popular these days. As you can see, there are tons of incredible illustrations that can level up your next design. The license terms for these images are relatively simple. Eltrue, we do our best to offer only illustrations that are considered public domain in most countries. Copyright laws vary from one jurisdiction to another, and you agree that you are solely responsible for abiding by all laws and regulations that may be applicable to using the illustrations. In simple words, all the images here should be considered public domain in the US, but if the country you are living in has some restrictions when it comes to using public domain images, you are responsible for the troubles. Another great source of free images I like to use is the Public Domain Vectors website. This website has a massive collection of public domain vectors that are available to download in SVG, AI, and EPS format. Just find a vector you like, open it, and check the license here. Click on the public domain to see more details. This work falls under the Creative Commons license, and you can copy, modify, distribute, and perform the work even for commercial purposes, all without asking permission. The last website is called the Public Domain Review. It is a curated section of public domain photos, illustrations, art, audio, films, and text. Browse their collections or check out their monthly Curator's Choice for a special guest post that celebrates lesser known part of history. All images are within the public domain and you can easily find the license of any image by clicking on the source link under each image. This action will lead you to the website with the original image and you can check out the license there. As you can see, this image is from Wikipedia and the artwork is the public domain in its country of origin and other countries where the copyright term is their author's life plus 70 years or fewer. Alright, if I was able to help you out, please let me know by giving this video a like, comment or subscribe. All that will be very much appreciated.